Most people get this wrong. They assume all health insurance plans are the same, but MVP Healthcare offers some features that make it different, especially for families and individuals looking for flexible coverage. MVP Healthcare is a regional insurance provider that offers individual, family, and group health plans, including Medicare and Medicaid options. One standout feature is its extensive provider network in the Northeast, which ensures access to doctors, specialists, and hospitals without long travel times. Enrollment is straightforward. You can sign up online, compare plans by coverage and premium, and even get a quote in minutes. Plans typically include preventive care, telehealth options, prescription coverage, and wellness programs. One thing I like was the telehealth integration. It's convenient for minor illnesses, consultations, and follow-ups without leaving home. The surprising truth is that MVP Healthcare focuses heavily on personalized customer support. If you have questions about claims or coverage, their representatives are responsive and can walk you through processes that often feel complicated with larger insurers. One downside is that premiums can be slightly higher than national competitors, but the trade-off is better local support and a more manageable network. For families, this can mean easier access to pediatricians, specialists, and hospitals. Overall, my experience with MVP Healthcare has been positive. Claims are processed efficiently, the provider network is reliable, and the telehealth feature saves time. It's especially suitable for those living in its coverage areas who want a combination of strong customer service and comprehensive coverage. In conclusion, MVP Healthcare is a solid choice for regional health insurance, particularly if you value responsive support and access to local providers. Make sure to compare plans carefully and consider your family's specific needs before enrolling. Subscribe for more honest health insurance reviews to help you choose the right plan for you and your loved ones.